Good morning. I've woken up on Hat's floor. We had a sleepover last night. For the very last time. Oh, the last time ever. This is going to be the last time I'm ever in Hat's room. But this is sad. My mum's going to literally be here so soon. Yeah, I'm literally in bed because I can't be arsed. I still have like some stuff to pack and everything, but it doesn't feel real, does it? It doesn't feel like we're never going to come back here again.
Yeah, even though my room's completely
Ow.
That's the last time I'll ever sleep in my bed.
I need to go into my room and probably sort everything out and get off the floor. So we've got most of the bags out of the room, but this is so weird, like I hate it. It literally doesn't look like my room apart from these two posters that are up. Literally everything is all, well, majority, there's like a few things left in here because I've got up my video uploading, but look how much stuff I have in the kitchen. It's a joke. Apparently we're gonna fit this all into one car. I don't see this happening, I'm not gonna lie. What's happening? Right, so this is the car right now. God, when we get to my nan's, like, that side is gonna pile out 100%, the other side. We're gonna have to all like go and catch it. Yeah. This is the current situation. This is about not even half of my stuff, and the boot is almost completely full. Literally like stuffed up here. It's insane. Oh god, I have too much stuff I need to get rid of. So mum's actually just helped me clean my entire room and it literally looks spotless. Apart from obviously the stuff that, like, people had already written on this before I came and I'm worried they're gonna think it's me, so not feeling great about that. And then also loads of fucking paint tack. I recommend never using blue tack in your room because it just stains the walls completely and it's so annoying. I thought pink tack was a great idea, but it's clearly not. And then we've got the bathroom that looks super clean as well. Super clean, thank you mum. She's done so well. I know. Oh my god. I know, me and Hat just took some photos. I don't think it looked like this. It looks disgusting, Hat. Oh. Pigs everywhere. Like in there as well. Oh no. Oh golly. Oh yeah, because mine doesn't feel empty because all my stuff, like my suitcase is in it. That's so going to go. Oh my god, this is gonna be the last time I enter my room. I don't know what my keys are. Wait, is my mum taking my keys out? Okay. Myself in the sun. Yeah. Bye room. Oh my god, please say someone next year is in Court 16, apartment 5 room 5. Oh my god, this is Hat's room for the last time I'll film it.
That is not going to go in
Oh
the car.
god, yeah, that's not going to fit in your dad's car. I'm sorry, I can't even lie to you anymore. Oh god, they look they look horrible without anything in. Oh god. So, I'm just about to take my keys in and hand them in into the accommodation office. This is so sad. They're in. Keys are returned. Here's my little receipt. I know you are, don't you? So we've just got home.
Look at the squirt. Huh? Squirt or something.
Yeah, because I smell horrible.
I'll probably...
We've just moved into Mum's car because it's a lot more spacious than Dad's. It's so hot. Me and Mum were literally squished the whole time, weren't we? And it was, we were like boiling. Like I was sweating in the back. I don't even care.
Well, you were squashed in.
I was sweating.
I was sitting on a quilt with
my hairs were flying everywhere. Yeah, there was like stuff like piled to my neck and everything. Oh.
Yeah.
And but yeah, we're going to Nan's now. I forgot to say that earlier. We're going to Nan's for dinner, having a roast, which will be so nice. Because what have I had recently? Just pasta. So you know, I love pasta though. It's not. It's just. It'll just be nice to have a roast and some vegetables. That'll be nice. But
Charlotte's starving, aren't you?
I'm starving. I haven't eaten today, and it's what's the time? Almost 2 o'clock. Because I packed all my breakfast stuff. I packed my breakfast stuff the night before. I was like, oh, I didn't fancy any of it to be fair, but now I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna pile all of my stuff from uni. We're gonna put in one of Nan's spare rooms, which is a good idea because I was thinking, oh no, like I thought it was gonna be in my room for the whole of summer.
You won't get in the room.
No, I wouldn't. I'm surprised we fit it all in, to be honest. We had to chuck away my mirror, but we're putting everything in Nan's room. One of Nan's rooms, which is great. Yeah, I have to sort through it all throughout summer, like bring stuff home if I need to, whatever. But for now, at least there's somewhere to put it instead of cramming it all in my room, because I would not be able to go to sleep. It would have to like go on my bed and everything. Also, David's in the back over there. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello, my baby girl. Oh. Squished it to bits.
Oh, darling.
Yes, thank you.
Alright.
Yes, thanks to you.
Brilliant.
So it's been like ages since I come back from Nan's. I don't think I've vlogged since I've come home, but I had a really lovely meal, but then I started falling asleep on my Nan's sofa, so we decided to come home. Me and David have just got ready because we're going to the club, which, well, we say the club, but it's actually just like our local pub. It's just like something we call it, isn't it, really? Like, oh, I'd want to go to the club. But yeah, and I think Megan's there with some of her family, so I'm gonna go meet them down there. We were considering it, but I felt really tired and stuff. Then when Megan said she was going, I was like, oh, I'll just force myself to go and get through it. So yeah, I might vlog there. I'm not even sure, but you'll obviously find out.
Darling, you two look perfect tonight.
He's so good.
Stronger than anyone I know. All of my lions on the night room. Say I stop and stare at you, walking on the shore. I'm trying to birds in the storm. Oh, the sunset to never like nobody does. Into tight and soon. It's the way you make me feel.
I obviously didn't end the vlog, which is so annoying. I had a really great night last night. We went to the pub. I met my dad there and then Megan and her family. And there was this like guy who was singing and he was insane. Like, I can't even explain to you how amazing he was. You'll have seen the clips before. His voice was just incredible. He was like a reggae singer, but he also sang like Ed Sheeran, Sam Smithy sort of songs too. He literally looked like Rag and Bone Man as well. But yeah, he was so good. So I thought I'd like insert some clips before this just so you can hear his voice. It's obviously like a really shitty environment because it's our local pub and where I live is just pretty grim. So if you didn't know, I just thought I'd explain myself. Not explain myself, but just explain the situation. So I moved home to my hometown and I'm back here until, well, we'll go back in August to Lincoln to move some of our stuff because our contract starts at the beginning of August for mine, Megan and Hattie's new house. But for now I'm at home and I'm going to be working at home and just doing everything now from here until August when we go and put some of our stuff in the house, and then I actually officially move. I think we're going to move just after my birthday in September. My birthday is the 4th of September, by the way, and I'm going to be 20. That's the sort of plan. Also, me and Megan live in the same hometown. We grew up together. Like, me and Megan have been friends since we were 6 years old, so that's why Megan was at the pub last night. Because we live in the same town. Literally, like, I can drive to Megan's house in 30 seconds. We live that close to each other. But obviously we don't see each other like every day, especially like now because we're back home. And we've got to see our families and stuff. Yeah, they were just down the pub, so we thought we'd meet them. The pub near us is just like an old classic. Like, we just always used to go there when we were kids, and like now we go sometimes. Like, both of our dads go to there, so we just thought last night, oh, we'll go. And like the environment looks pretty shitty, like on the video, like it's just like a tragic pub. That guy is just insane and he shouldn't be performing there. Like he should be, like he should have a contract. Like he's amazing. I don't know if he said he had a YouTube channel, but I searched it last night and it's not actually his. I think he's just got all of his like backing tracks on YouTube in a playlist. But if I can find like a link to some more of his work, I'll leave it down below because you need to check him out. Like I was actually so shocked. Like my dad was talking about him before when I decided not to go originally, and he was talking, saying like he was amazing and stuff. I did want to see him. It was just I was really tired and I was actually doing some work like for YouTube, and I thought, oh, I want to get this work done. Like in my head I just planned to do it. And then as soon as my dad had left, like 5 minutes later, and I'd completed my work, Megan messaged me, so I ended up going like last minute, so I had to walk. Me and David walked there. Also, where I live in this like small town called Wellingborough, if you don't live here, because I know some people do who watch my videos. I hate it. Like I actually hate living here just because the town is really, it's really small. Like the actual town centre is a shithole. And I just don't like living here. Obviously I love being here because all my family live here in the surrounding towns, but just Northamptonshire is just no thank you. Like take me back to Lincoln already. I love being here currently. I probably will for the next week, just seeing family, friends, etc. But 4 months here, no thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna have to survive that. But I hope you liked this vlog of me moving back home from uni of first year. So strange. I feel like it'll take a few days for me to like think and be like, I'm never going back to halls, which isn't just crazy. And yeah, I just really hope you like this video. Make sure to smash a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe down below if you're new. Let me know what you want to see on my main channel. I'm going to be pre-filming so many videos today. I'm going to be vlogging today as well because I've got quite a few things in the post and I want to share some vlogger mail. And yeah, I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.